Okay, this is my initial look at MTG Arena. I've just installed it. This is the first screen and I've opened one pack. So I thought I would finish opening the packs and record and show you guys what this is all about. So I've just gone to this part here, expand your collection. If I look at my cards, I'm not sure I can see my card collection. Okay, I'll find my cards later, but you can see I had 4 packs. I've got 1 pack of Ixalan left, and I've got another 4 packs to open as well. So to open the packet, it's much like Jewels of the Planeswalkers. You just click on here, pack will open. The Raging Regisaur, my scroll doesn't seem to scroll to highlight the card, it's just moving it over the card. You don't get the tokens or the lands obviously, so there's 2, 4, 6, 8 cards in a packet. And then that's my rare, which is going to be a Path of Discovery. My other one was a Tendershoot Dryad. So that's my cards. I'll just see if there's anywhere else I can look at my cards. Store here. Oh, you can purchase packs for 1,000 gold coins. Okay, so just go back to my cards. I'll finish opening these ones. Ixalan now. It looks like 2, 4, 5 commons, 2 uncommons in a row. Repeating barrage. So this is much like my luck with in real life. I just get garbage cards. So we look at another Ixalan. I don't know what these things are. I'll have to look into that, but I had one in my other pack as well. This is, see what my real is, Boneyard Parlay. So again, pretty crappy cards. Okay, another Ixalan pack. Delsing Dagger. And Lucky Last Ixalan. I get 2 of those cards this time. Yeah, I'm really gonna look in Sanctum Seek and look and see what they are. As we move on to Hour of Devastation, I guess there's some skulls I'm hoping to get here. Grind to dust. Okay, that's a decent. If they have EDH here, I suppose it's a decent card. I don't know. I don't believe you can trade and buy and sell cards at this stage. And a braid. Oh, Scarab Bomb, my first decent card. Nice deck with the artists in there as well. So Steve Argyle did the little form. Again, 2 of these cards, so please, if somebody knows what they are, Overwhelming Splendor. So that's all my Hour of Devastation complete. So now I'll have a look at Arming Kit. I don't think there's anything really in these cards. Gold. Is it good? Yeah, I don't know, I have to look that up. I don't know what that is it a common or a Regal Caracal? It's not too bad. 2 packs to go. That looks like, that's a mythic, obviously a mythic colour, but I don't know what it means. Lucky last packet. Oracle's Vaults. I've got this thing here. Unlock this by 60%. 1 mythic rare, 2 rare, 6 uncommon. Okay, so you can look on collection. Oh wait, maybe that's currency perhaps, because you can see that's anointed procession. Oh, okay, so those are wild cards, so I can get an anointed procession if I want to with my gold. Okay, so that changes things. So that means my wild cards, I've got 1, 2, 3. The only thing is it's not really clear. I guess this is an uncommon, so if I find an uncommon like this... Okay, yeah, so I can actually go and pick another mythic rare. So I've already got the Scarab God, so if I look, you can search the Scarab God. So I can turn a wild card into another Scarab God, and then I would have 2. So we'll get out of that search. But it's got numbers. There must be a way to only see the cards that you have. Oh, owned, unowned, owned. Okay. Because I don't have a Sacred Cat. I don't know why that's there for. Actually, I quite like it how they've done that. Put those wild cards in so that you can help you customize a deck as well. Scatter. You just keep going on forever, cycling through all these cards. It'll be much better once we can trade, if we're going to be able to trade. Okay, so that's about it for now. I was just showing you my opening of packs. Later on, probably tonight or tomorrow, I'm going to start actually streaming and playing some games.